We are on page number 79. Now, next is let's remember what is there. Circle the odd one out. Give a reason for your choice. But four things are given to you. You have to circle the odd one out, which is odd from these four things, and give a reason कि why it is odd one out, क्यों odd one out है. This is your homework. You will do it and we'll discuss it in the next lecture. So now come to the next topic, that is aquatic plants. Next is aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are those plants that grow in water, that are called aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are known as aquatic plants. They are of three types: floating, fixed and underwater plants. Now they have three types. First is floating, second is fixed plants, and the third one is underwater plants. Floating, fixed and underwater plants. We will study one by one all the three. First comes your floating plants. Stems of floating plants are light and spongy so that they can float on water. Duckweed and water hyacinth are examples of floating plants. The plants that float on water, as the name itself telling us, जो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं फ्लोटिंग प्लांट्स. Why do they float on water? Because their stems, they are very lightweight, उनका वेट बहुत ज्यादा कम होता है, and their stems, they are spongy, means sponge type होते हैं, उनके बीच में pores होते हैं stem के बीच में, means air जो है वो क्रॉस कर सकती है pores. That is why they are called as spongy. Their stems, they are spongy and they are lightweight. That is why they float on water. इसके कारण ही वो पानी के ऊपर फ्लोट करते हैं. Examples are duckweed and water hyacinth. Picture is given to you. Duckweed and water hyacinth. This is the plant that floats on water. Next are your fixed plants. Fixed means they do not float, they are fixed at a place. It means जो fix हैं किसी place के ऊपर. These plants have their roots fixed to the bottom of the pond. They have thin, long and hollow stems to reach the surface of the water. Leaves of these plants are broad and flat with a waxy coating on the surface to prevent them from rotting. Water lily and lotus are examples of fixed plants. So beta, why they are called as fixed? Because they are fixed to the bottom of the pond. Water के बीच में वो fix होते हैं नीचे soil के बीच. That is why they are called as fixed plants. Fixed. These plants have their roots fixed to the bottom of the pond. ये pond है आपका, water is all over. Their roots, they are fixed to the bottom of the pond. ये नीचे pond के fix हैं उनकी roots. They have thin, long and hollow stems. बहुत ज्यादा पतली होती है उनकी stem. Hollow, thin and long. Hollow means बीच में से खाली होती है. That is means hollow. Stems to reach the surface of the water. Leaves of these plants are broad and flat. Their leaves are very broad. मोटे मोटे होते हैं, ज्यादा चौड़े होते हैं उनके पत्ते, and flat होते हैं पूरे. And with the waxy coating on the surface to prevent them from rotting. Their surface, the leaves surface, they have a waxy coating. उनके ऊपर ऐसी coating होती है जैसे wax लगी होती है, waxy coating. They have a waxy coating means slippery होते हैं वो, and it prevents the leaves from rotting. Waxy coating की वजह से क्या होता है कि जो भी चीज उनके ऊपर गिरती है, like water, if it falls on them, then it slides off easily. नीचे गिर जाता है, तां जो ऊपर अगर पड़ा रहे तो जो पत्ते हैं वो खराब हो जाते हैं, गल जाते हैं. So this is the function of waxy coating कि water also it will not stay on the leaves and it will slide off easily and therefore it will prevent the leaves from rotting, खराब होने से वो बचा लेते हैं. Water lily and lotus are examples of fixed plants. Now which are the examples of fixed plants? Water lily, you must have seen water lily, and lotus, कमल का फूल तो देखा ही होगा आपने. So this is all about the fixed plants. Next is underwater plants. Underwater means that are under the water, water के बीच में है जो बिल्कुल, that are underwater plants. Underwater plants. Underwater plants grow under the water surface and have thin and narrow leaves without any stomata. Their leaves absorb gases dissolved in water directly through their surface. Tape grass and pond weeds are the examples of underwater plants. Underwater plants, they grow underwater. पानी पानी है जो पानी के बीच में ग्रो करते हैं, that are called underwater plants. There is water all over. They have thin and narrow leaves. उनके जो leaves हैं बहुत thin और narrow होते हैं. Without any stomata, no stomata is there. Stomata helps to exchange gases. पता है कि हमारे जो प्लांट्स हैं उनके लीव्स के ऊपर स्टोमेटा होता है, पोर्स होते हैं छोटे छोटे, जिसकी हेल्प से जो प्लांट्स हैं दे गिव आउट एंड टेक गैस. Their leaves absorb gases dissolved in water directly through their surface. Now, from where do they get gases? They are not in the environment, they are under the water. So gases, they are dissolved in water. So the leaves of these plants, they will take gases that are dissolved in water directly through the surface. Directly surface के through ही वो gases को लेते हैं. Examples are tape grass and pondweed of these plants. Tape grass and जो pondweed है वो examples हैं plants की that grow under water, जो water के बीच में grow होते हैं. Not all plants can grow underwater. Only those plants can grow underwater that have the ability to absorb gases dissolved in water. जिनके बीच में एबिलिटी है कि जो गैसेस होती हैं डिजॉल्व वाटर में वो ले सकते हैं. Only that plants can grow under the water. Other plants, they take gases from the atmosphere, so they cannot grow under the water. So their leaves, they are also without stomata. अगर बाहर होते leaves तो stomata, it is compulsory for them to take exchange gases. स्टोमेटा होना चाहिए, तो इनके बीच में स्टोमेटा भी नहीं होता. ये जो डायरेक्टली है जो गैसेस है पानी में डिसॉल्व है वो अपने सरफेस के थ्रू वो एक्सचेंज करते हैं. सो दिस इज द मेन फीचर ऑफ द प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो अंडर द वाटर. सो बेटे नाउ वी हैव रेड अबाउट द एक्वाटिक प्लांट्स. लेट्स रिकॉल व्हाट वी हैव रेड. Aquatic plants are those that grow in water. These are of mainly three types: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. First is floating plants. Floating plants are those plants that float on water. Why do they float on water? Because their stems, they are very lightweight and they are spongy, means they have spores inside them. That is why they float on water. Example is duckweed and water hyacinth. Next is fixed plants. Fixed plants are those plants that are totally fixed at the bottom of the pond, and they have very thin, long and hollow stems to reach the surface of the water. इनके जो leaves होते हैं they have a waxy coating. They are flat and broad. Why do they have waxy coating? Because waxy coating prevents the rotting of the leaves. कि जो पानी है उनके ऊपर ना खड़ा रह सके या कोई और चीज है, तो जो वैक्सी कोटिंग है जो वो जल्दी से जो भी चीज ऊपर उसके गिरती है लीव्स के, वो वैक्सी कोटिंग की वजह से वो नीचे स्लाइड ऑफ कर जाती है, गिर जाती है. तो जो लीव्स हैं वो खराब नहीं होते। एग्जाम्पल्स आर वाटर लिली एंड लोटस। नेक्स्ट लास्ट वॉज अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स। अंडर वाटर मीन्स द प्लांट्स दैट ग्रो अंडर द वाटर, जो वाटर के बीच में ग्रो करते हैं, दैट आर अंडर वाटर प्लांट्स। दीज प्लांट्स दे हैव थिन एंड नैरो लीव्स विदाउट एनी स्टोमेटा, उनका कोई स्टोमेटा नहीं होता, उनके लीव्स बहुत थिन होते हैं एंड नैरो होते हैं, एंड दे अब्सॉर्ब गैसेस दैट आर डिजॉल्व्ड इन वाटर थ्रू देयर सरफेस ओनली, डायरेक्टली सरफेस के थ्रू ही वो गैसेस लेते हैं। एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर टेप ग्रास एंड पॉन्डवीड। सो बेटे वी हैव रेड अबाउट द aquatic plants today. Next topic is insectivorous plants that we'll study in the next lecture. So go through it that we have done till now, and next we'll continue in the next period. Thank you.